this big old line coming in here. Everybody's coming over to this car show. It actually started at noon. We got a lot of great cars in there. But we are going to do a montage because if they are playing a DJ, you know, copyright and stuff.
Let me show you how deep this is. I'll never be able to go that deep.
That's what she said.
Never said, I've been on my grind for 7 days. Need a raise, swear to God I'll never be the same. TBH, TBH, yeah, CBA. Never said, I've been on my grind for 7 days. Need a raise, swear to God I'll never be the same. TBH, TBH, yeah.
Love it. V12, music to my ears.
Make me scream!
Yes, sir. Beautiful, man. Beautiful, man. Finally get to see an SF90. Here we go. We got the AMG Black Series in a beautiful orange. So far this event has turned out to impress quite a more than I thought it was going to. Not often do you get a chance to see the SF90, and especially in a spec like this. What do you think, Sean?
Pretty good. Don't get ran over.
Okay. I'm gonna get hit by a Porsche GT3. But oh my God, what do you think? Right. SF90?
SF90. You get a SVJ in a nice Nardo color.
Yep.
And then all the amazing cars inside. We went back to the future with the Delorean. You gotta love it.
If only we could take that Back to the Future DeLorean and go back to when we could afford all the awesome JDM cars back in their prime.
Yes.
Also, the freaking Orange Black Series. It's amazing.
I don't want the shit. I don't want to be a boyfriend or other shit. I don't want to get involved with all these other chicks. I don't want to get involved with any of the shit. supposed to be a boyfriend, but it's a chore. Why you fucking rude? I know you wanna make it, but why does that make you cool? Tell her you don't love her and you couldn't make it, dude. Cause you don't need another fucking lady with your crew. I know what you mean. You gotta push them out if you just wanna be a G. They hate to be alone, but it's exactly what they need. So tell these motherfuckers they can get it when I leave. I don't want the shit. I don't wanna be a boyfriend or other shit. I don't wanna get involved with all these other chicks. I don't wanna get involved.
I'll pay you to hit him. Just hit him. We'll
With all
take your
these
car
other
though.
chicks. I'd rather fucking make it than fuck all these other chicks. With all these other chicks, I'd rather fucking make it than fuck all these other chicks. 1 shot, 2 shots, you gonna get some more. 5 shots, 6 shots, you gonna hit the floor. 9 shots, 10 shots, you never wanted more. I'm supposed to be a boyfriend, but it's a chore. Where you fucking been? I know you wanna know, but I can't tell you till the end. I know I gotta make it and I'll fake it to pretend. Cause fuck all of the hating that you say is in my head. You say it's in my head. I know you wanna snake it, let's just say it's just pretend. I know you want me famous, let's just say this is the end. I know you feel me, baby, let's just hit it once again. I don't want the shit. I don't wanna be a boyfriend or other shit. I don't wanna get involved.
I like your haircut.
What spoilers on here? The Vorsteiner one?
Vorsteiner?
I was gonna say, cause that's different than most.
It's brand new. It
It's
just came
bad.
out.
I noticed it right away at Iron Gate.
Yeah.
Yeah. It looks kind of like SVJ type. So
I love it.
it is awesome.
And on the front too. The front.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the first blade.
Have a good one, man.
Have a good one. Thank you.
I didn't hear it. Hold on. There we go. There it is. Sorry, buddy. Get in trouble by the police.